Guys, I just found a little kitten right here, a baby cat, and she's crying and no one is around here, so I'm going to help her now. And built her a home. She opened her eyes, first one, then both. Of course, I decided to keep her and I bought her something very special. Sleeping in this box from my air fryer all the time. No, this cute baby deserves better. Ruby the baby cat. Ruby the rescued baby cat is in constant danger because of two black cats. I didn't want them to get close to her because I thought they would attack her. But then I realized the black cats are even more afraid of little Ruby. I found Ruby the baby cat's mom. At least that's what I think. Ruby the baby cat is Ruby the baby cat. Anyone else playing peekaboo with their cat or is it just me? Boo! Boo! Ruby the baby cat was so scared because she got her first vaccination and she didn't feel good at all. Ruby the baby cat got... No way this actually just happened.
Oi, go. Oi, more passion, more passion, more passion, more energy, more energy, more footwork, more footwork, more footwork, more passion, more energy.
Ruby the baby cat. This is Ruby the baby cat and this is Ruby the baby cat's mom. At least that's what I thought. Cause she is a he. So it must be her dad. Ruby the baby cat. Introduce you to Ruby the sausage cat. Ruby the baby cat is officially also Ruby the surfer cat. Ruby the baby cat had a fight with a crab. Baby the Ruby cat has a hidden talent and that is football. Ruby the baby cat. Ruby the baby cat is stuck on my roof. Wait a minute, is that Ruby the baby cat's mom? She looks exactly like her. People reacting to Ruby the baby cat.
What?
It's a new dog. No trespassing here.
Oh, they like a doggy. Oh, so cute.
Oh, it's lovely to see a cat being taken.
I'm building my cat the biggest palace ever. Ruby the baby cat. Guys, let me present to you Ruby the Superman cat.
I can't afford to stop for one moment. That it's too soon to fall.
Push the fucking pipe off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the scrap if it happen to blow.
This was Ruby the baby cat just 3 months ago and this is Ruby the baby cat today with the same sock. That's Ruby the cool cat.
Cat on the beach?
Yes, like a dog.
Ruby.
Lucky cat. Morning.
Ruby the baby cat. December happened. happens when I do a juice in the morning.
I'm sorry, Ruby.
I love my juice, but Ruby the baby cat hates it. She really thinks the world is ending. In August, I started a series on a new YouTube channel about Ruby the baby cat. It was Ruby the baby cat's first ever walk, and look at how clumsy she was. And here are some more videos of her just being a cute kitten. Oh yes, she was really a cute baby cat. But now she's Ruby the middle-aged cat. Actually, I think Ruby's even a kangaroo cat. Look at that. She's doing that because I'm training her some cool tricks that we will show you very soon. Also, we are going out almost daily since she's a kitten, so she's never anxious and always confident.